Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our iPhone, not iPhone, my bad, on our watch. And to do it, press the back button right here. Once you open the menu, you can use the touchscreen to scroll through the menu or the up and down buttons. I'm gonna use the buttons because the touchscreen on this watch is a bit wonky, sometimes it doesn't work. So scroll through the menu, find the settings option, and once you find it, you can tap on it or press the middle button to enter. Then select the general settings by tapping on it or pressing the middle button. Then select the pair and sync. Scroll down, find the paired devices, enter, and here you will see the name of your iPhone. And once you see it, select it and press the button. Then press the button again to confirm remove pairing. Once the pairing is removed, you can go to your iPhone, open the settings on it. In settings, find the Bluetooth option, tap on it, and here on the list of my devices you will see the Polar Grid X Pro. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device. And then you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.